Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. I'm Mr. Mohammed and today we have a new English lesson. Today is Thursday. And this is our lesson today. Unit 8, Lesson 3, page 68. This is our lesson today. Unit 8, Lesson 3, page 68. And this is your homework, dictation, page 68. Dictation, page 68. Open your books, page 68. Open your books, page 68. Write the date here. Write the date here. Have you finished? Great. Now we will recognize the aim of our lesson today. This is the aims of our lesson today. Number 1, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to read and write the new words. Read and write the new words. Number 2, to make a correct sentence. To make a correct sentence. Number 3, to know the difference between the singular and the plural. To know the difference between singular and plural. To learn how you can ask new questions. To learn how can you ask new questions like what's your favorite food or color? What do you like? Okay? Before starting our lesson today, let's make a quick revision about the previous lessons and words. Learn the words. We will read these words together, okay? Number 1, a cat. A cat. Good. Repeat after me. A cat. Number 2, a duck. A duck. Excellent. Good, guys. Number 3, a bird. A bird. A bird. Number 4, a rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. Great. Number 5, a frog. A frog. A frog. Excellent. Well done. Who can spell cat, guys? Yes. A C A T. Good. Who can spell a duck? Yes. A D U C K. Excellent. Number 3, who can spell a bird? Who can spell a bird? Good. A B I R D. Good. Who can spell a rabbit? Who can spell a rabbit? A R A B I T. The last one, a frog. A frog. Who can spell a frog? Yes, good. A F R O G. Good. We have many practice today, guys. The first practice today is circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. Number 1, what's this? What's this? Is this a dog? Rabbit? Bird? Cat? Which word is correct? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Great. Yes. Number 4. Yes. This is the correct one. This is a cat. This is a cat. Good. Number 2. What's this? Is this a frog? Dog? Bird? Or cat? Huh? Who can tell me which one is correct? Very good. Excellent. Frog. Frog. Good. So when I ask you what's this? This is a frog. Good. Number 3. What's this? Dog, frog, rabbit, cat. Which one is correct? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Excellent. Yes, number 3. This is the correct one. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. Good. Number 4. What's this? What's this? Cat, rabbit, bird, or duck? Which one's correct? Very good. Excellent. This is a duck. Good. What's this? It's a duck. Great. Number 5 and the last one in this practice. What's this? Duck, rabbit, bird, or cat? Which one is correct? Who can tell me? Very good. 1, 2, or 3, or 4? What's this? Very good. This is a bird. Good. So what's this? It's a bird. Nice one. Move to the second practice. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. You have 2 steps, guys. Number 1, you must read the question carefully to understand, to answer about it, okay? Step number 2, try to understand what you read, okay? Try to understand what you read, okay? What's your favorite color? Look at this picture. What's your favorite color? Good. I like yellow. Very good. Excellent. Question number 2. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Look at this picture. Who can tell me the correct answer? Yes, good. I like cookie. I like cookie. Very good. Question number 3. What's your favorite color? This is the same question of number 1. What's your favorite color? Very nice. I like green. You must look at the picture to answer, okay? I like green. Question number 4. What's your favorite food? Look at the picture. Good. I like, what is it? Yes, chicken. I like chicken. Very good. Excellent. The third practice, rearrange. Rearrange. We have these words, guys, and we need to arrange these words to make a correct questions, okay? We'll start with what's, okay? We'll start with the word what's, okay? So this is the first one. Who can tell me the second word? What's color? What's favorite? What's your? Yes, good. What's your? Good, excellent. Who can tell me the next? What's your favorite? Or what's your color? What's your favorite? Good. And the last one, color. And don't forget to put question mark at the end of the question, okay? Number 2, like white eye. Which one will start with? Yes, I. Will start the sentence with the pronoun I. Good. I white, or I like? Yes, I like. I like white. Good. And don't forget to put dot at the end of the sentence, okay? Let's complete our practice. Your what's food favorite? You know now which one which we will begin with? Yes. What's? Okay, tell me the next. Good. What's your favorite? Good. This is number 3. What's your favorite? Good. Food. Excellent. The last one in this practice. like fish. I, huh? I, good, like fish. Great, well done, excellent, good guys. This is our lesson today, guys. And this is the first one. Cats. Listen to me carefully and then repeat after me. I will say the word just 2 times and then we repeat after me, okay? Cats. Cats. Okay, are you ready? Repeat after me. Cats. Good. I hear you guys. Cats. This is the first one. Number 2. Ducks. 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 Are you ready? Good. Repeat after me. Ducks. 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 Great. Number 3. Birds. 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 Are you ready? Good. Repeat after me. Listen to me carefully. Birds. 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 Great. Well done. Let's repeat the words again. One more time. Good. Cats. Ducks. Birds. Okay, good. Number 4. Rabbits. Rabbits. Are you ready? Good. Repeat after me. Rabbits. Rabbits. Great. Number 5. Frogs. 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 Excellent. Well done. The whole words one more time. Cats. Good. Ducks. Birds. Birds. Rabbits. Rabbits. Frogs. 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 As we see, guys, all these words ends by good letter S. All of these words ended by the letter S. Okay, teacher, what does it mean? All of these words are plural. All of these words are plural. Okay? Number 1. A cat. When the word preceded by the letter A like this, so this is a singular. Okay? If you want to change this word from the singular to the plural, you must remove the letter A which before the word and add S at the end of the word, like cats. Okay? Number 2, a duck. This is singular. If you want to make this word plural, remove the letter A here. Okay? Remove the letter A here. Just a second, please. Remove the letter A and add S at the end of the word. Okay? Number 3, a bird. A bird, this is singular. Okay? As we see in the picture. Okay? Why? Because it's started with the letter A. Good. Type, teacher, how can I change this word from singular to the plural? Remove the letter A here, okay, and add S at the end of the word. Okay? Number 4, a rabbit. A rabbit, this is singular. Rabbits, this is plural. Okay? A frog. A frog, this is singular, as you see in the picture. Okay? Frogs. Frogs, this is plural. Okay? So we know now if the word starts with letter A, it means that the word is singular. Okay? When we add S at the end of the word like this, it means that this word is plural. Okay? Do you understand this one? Great. The first practice today in our new lesson, make plural, make plural, plural. So all of these words which start with the letter A, singular, okay? We want to change these words from the singular to the plural, okay? What should we do, guys? Number one, a rabbit. Who can make the first one? Yes, a rabbit. Who can make the plural of the first one? Who can tell me? I hear some of you guys says, yes, teacher. Remove the letter A and add S at the end of the word. Good. So the first one, a rabbit, become rabbits. Good. Number two, a frog, become frogs. Good. Number three, a dog becomes dogs. Good. Number four, a bird. A bird. What should we do? Yes, remove the letter A and add S at the end of the word. Birds. Good. Excellent. And the last one, a cat. Cats. Good. Excellent. Nice one, guys. The second practice in our new lesson today, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. We have four pictures. We have four pictures, guys. And in front of each picture, we have two words. We have two words. We must choose which one is correct and put a circle around it, okay? Number one. Picture number one. A rabbit or rabbits. It is singular or plural? Yes, good, excellent. Rabbits, because this picture is plural. Good. These are two rabbits. Good. Number two, a frog or frogs. Which one is correct? Good. A frog, the singular. Number three, a dog or dogs. Which one is correct? Yes, a dog. Number four, a duck or ducks. Which one is correct? Look at the picture. Yes, very good. Ducks. Excellent. Good, guys. Great. Now we will listen together.
Sentences.
There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit.
We will know, guys, in this practice how can we make a correct sentence. We will know how can we make a correct sentence. Listen carefully.
I like rabbits. I like rabbits.
Number one.
There's a rabbit.
Number one.
I like rabbits. There's a rabbit. I like rabbits.
Number two.
There's a bird.
Number two.
I like birds. There's a bird. I like birds.
Number three.
There's a cat.
Number three.
I like cats. There's a cat. I like
four.
cats. There's a dog.
Number four.
I like dogs. There's a dog. I like
Number
dogs. There's a frog.
Number
I like
five.
frogs. There's a frog. I like
Page
frogs.
68. Page 68.
Great.
B. Make sentences.
One more time.
B. Make sentences.
There's a rabbit. I like rabbits. There's a rabbit. I like rabbits.
Who can make a sentence about number one? Yes. Don't be afraid. Yes, good. There is a rabbit. I like rabbits. Who can make a sentence about number two? Very good. There is a bird. I like birds. Good. Number three. Yes, good. There is a cat. I like cats. Number four. There is a dog. I like dogs. Number five and the last one. There is a frog. I like
Make
frogs. Good.
B. Make sentence.
Now open your activity book page 67. Now open your activity book page 67. Yes. Practice C. Write and circle. Write and circle. Number 1. What do you like? What do you like? Look at the picture. Yes. He pointed to. Yes, frogs. What do you like? I like frogs. So put a circle around the word frogs. Question number 2. Who can tell me? Yes, good. What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? Huh. Yes, teacher. He pointed to rabbits. I like rabbits. Good, excellent. Question number 3. You can tell me the question? Yes. Good. What do you like? He pointed to turtles. Yes, very good. I like turtles. Very good. Excellent. Practice D. Trace and write. Trace and write. We must to trace the question, the two questions here, okay? And write the missing word of the two questions, okay? What do you like? I like what? I like dogs. No. I like rabbits. No. I like cats. No. I like frogs. Yes, this is the correct one. I like frogs. Great. Number 2. What do you like? I like what? Look at the pictures. Yes, I like birds. No. I like frogs. No. Focus. Yes, teacher, I like cats. Good. That's correct, guys. Very good. Nice one. Don't forget to write the date at the top of the page like this here, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.